Hi, this is Ben from REX Australia. Just a quick video to show you how to set up a Smartlink for a preferred customer. So once you've logged into your xOffice, you'll see this screen and just click on Smartlink. And we want to create a new Smartlink. And now we'll select preferred customer, type a name for the Smartlink, and select our country, and then click on next. Now we need to go into logo merchandise, select preferred customer IX membership, and click on review contents, and then click on next. Now this is a public one because I haven't personalized it and added any additional products, and then we click on generate link. And that's done. Thanks for watching.